Hi everybody, welcome back. In this guide, I'm going to show you the procedure on how to use BeReal offline. So BeReal is an online social media application that requires an internet connection, either cellular data or Wi-Fi function. It does not have an offline mode, so you need to be connected to an internet to receive the daily time to BeReal notification, post your photo and view your friends' content as well. If you are in an area without a reliable connection, you will not be able to use the app's core features until the service is restored. The app requires server connectivity to ensure posts are made within the designated time a window and to load other user posts as well. So basically, you'll not be able to use BeReal offline. So that's how it actually works. So you have to be connected to either cellular data or a Wi-Fi, and that's going to help you out to get connect with other people on BeReal. So that's it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.